Hello friends, welcome to Pinky Punky Productions. Can we store entire world's digital data in one cup of DNA? First, let's discuss about digital data storage (DDS), which was introduced and developed in 1980s. All the digital data are encoded and decoded in the binary format, and silicon is the most important one in doing this. Silicon is the primary material of most semiconductor and microelectronic chips. The pure memory grade silicon is rarely found in nature. All the microchip grade silicon worldwide is expected to run out in the near future. Also, Moore's law states that the number of transistors accommodated on the integrated circuits is almost doubled every 2 years, which means more transistor chips run faster with more transistors. Finally, Moore's law is going to come to the end. As the world produces humongous amount of data, there is now about 10 trillion gigabytes of digital data on Earth. Every day, humans produce emails, photos, tweets, and other digital files that add up to 2.5 million GB of data. Much of this data is stored in enormous facilities known as exabyte data centers, which can be the size of several football fields and cost around $1 billion to build and maintain. Scientists have shown that a technique for labeling and retrieving DNA data files from a large pool could help make DNA data storage feasible in the near future. Let's now see what is DNA. Deoxyribonucleic acid. In 1953, Dr. Crick and Watson disclosed that a DNA molecule having double strands that coil around each other and form a double helical structure. DNA components or nucleotides consist of nitrogenous bases, phosphate groups, and deoxyribose groups. The two letters are structured as the backbone of each DNA molecule, with each pair of bases from each strand to connect by a hydrogen bond. A coffee mug full of DNA could theoretically store all of the world's data, says Mark Baer, a professor of biological engineering at the Massachusetts Institute of Technology, MIT. Scientists have already demonstrated that they can encode images and pages of text as DNA. Now let's discuss advantages and disadvantages of storing digital data in DNA. DNA is 1,000-fold denser than even flash memory, and another property that's interesting is that once you make the DNA polymer, it doesn't consume any energy. You can write the DNA and then store it forever. DNA may serve as a possible medium of digital data storage with its potential advantages such as high density, high replication efficiency, long-term durability, and long-term stability. The challenges we have to deal with exist in various aspects, including high cost, low throughput, the limited access to data storage, short synthetic oligo-DNA fragments, error rate in synthesis, and sequencing. That's all friends. Please let us know your thoughts on this in comment section. Thank you. Bye bye.